While visions of sugar plums dance in children's heads, Sue Simoncini sews. Since September, Simoncini has been working 18-hour days, 7 days a week, in an effort to complete more than 80 new costumes for the Columbus Ballet's The Nutcracker. With opening night just days away, the pressure to finish the job is on.
We are feverishly trying to finish up the last 20 tutus. There's tulle in the rafters. We've got volunteers doing everything, so it's really mayhem.
Once the house lights go down, Tchaikovsky begins to play, and that first dancer floats on stage, all the stress of the last few months will hopefully melt away. Simoncini said this year's costume overhaul is all worth the effort because of the role these garments play in telling this famed story.
I think it sets the mood for the dancers. It gives them a character to dance for rather than just a dance. They're doing a part in a play. So I think it really adds to the ambiance of the whole thing.
The entire troupe of dancers will not have brand new costumes this season, but most of them will. And by the time the 2008 The Nutcracker rolls around, every single dancer will be in a new costume.
This is Sugar Plum. She's the star of the show. These are called pancake tutus because they're so flat, but she is our queen. Each tutu takes about 50 hours to build it. It's a lot of intensive work.
This project has proven to be one of Simoncini's most ambitious, given the size of the cast and limited time in which she's had to outfit them. But things are rolling along nicely at both the Rivercenter and the Rankin Arts Center. Perhaps soon even she'll find herself nestled all snug in her bed, while visions of sugar plums dance in her head. Reporting for the Ledger Inquirer, I'm Lily Gordon.